Model: 66-plate Peugeot Boxer Relay DUCATO 2.0 BlueHDi 335 L3H2 130 spares OR repairs ultra low miles clean. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 49,568. Engine: 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: takes a few more cranks to start than average. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, 2 keys, sat-nav, cruise control, air-con, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures